Hi guys, another day, another graphic, and today we are going to design this sprite concept. And as usual, the first thing you're going to do is launch your Photoshop. I'm using Adobe Photoshop 2023. So once it launches, you are going to create a new file. Then as usual, I pick 1000 by 1000 pixels dimensions because it can fit anywhere. Facebook, X, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, it can fit anywhere without so much trouble. So you are going to create the new file, and what I'm going to do first and foremost is to get a Sprite logo. Yes, so now that we have the logo with the two brand colors, they're actually three: white, yellow and green, but I'm gonna use the yellow and the green mostly. So what you're going to do is disable the lock on the background layer, then double click to open the layer styles. Then you are going to go to gradient overlay, and it memorized the previous colors I used, so I'll just change that. And I'm going to use the radial gradient. Yes, with the two colors. So once you pick the style, just go to gradient here and edit it to suit the colors you want. I'll be using two colors, so I'll just delete one and bring this one to 50 middle. Once that is done, I'll double click here. Then the eyedropper tool will be automatically enabled, and just pick on the color that you want, yellow or green. So I'll pick yellow for this. Then just click OK, then come to the other one, double click, eyedropper enabled, click on the green. So I'll just invert this because I want the yellow to be to take the green part and the green part to take the yellow part. So just click OK and come back here to reverse. There you go. You can edit to your preference. So like maybe reduce the opacity. Just come back here, reduce the opacity from here as well, smoothness. You can mess with it around and see what you like. That is it. That will be our background. Then just resize the logo as well. Very nice. So the next thing you're going to do is get the sprite itself, the can. We are using the can, not the bottle. So it's already on my downloads as well. You can download it online. So just Control open, then find it somewhere. There it is. It's already PNG with no background. Otherwise I would have removed the background, but then it's already done, so we just pick it and bring it to your workspace. Then resize to your liking, and that is it. Position it to the center. That's good. The next thing you're going to do is get a water splash, so it looks like it's hit some liquid, and the liquid splashes to give it some more feel. So I already have it on my computer. So I'll just go to open and find it. These are water, PNG. So just lift it and bring it to your workspace. Then resize to fit. And I think it will remain on the front of the can layer. So that is good. Now it's too bluish. So what I'm going to do is change the blend. Just browse through it and see what feels good. Okay, I'll stay with darken. It's like it's there, it's not, so feels perfect for me. Once that is done, I'm gonna get some lemon the fruit, to spice the workspace a little. So Control O. You can download the lemon fruit as well from online. That is my lemon. Just remove the background. Once selected, just copy, Control C, and remove the other things that we are done with, the splash, the bottle, so you have space to move around the logo. Yes, so just copy the lemon once you remove the background and drop it on your workspace and space it. I'm gonna have it on this corner. There. Maybe still rotate, push it out, scale. There. You can have it there. Next thing is get another piece of lemon, maybe put it somewhere. The workspace still looks so blank, so get another thing, another lemon, maybe a slice, not the whole fruit this time. Place it somewhere here, maybe inverse it so it looks the other way. There you go. Resize. That looks perfect. Then we are gonna get some glasses, like the water is poured on the glass, the drink is poured on the glass with some ice. Remove the background. Select well, don't miss something. Once the subject auto selects, it will miss some things, so those ones you have to select them manually. So you use the various tools that are there. Use the elliptical or the selection tool to select your subject well, so that some funny cuts are not made out of it from the quick selection. I mean from the automatic selection. Select the details. Once selected, remove the background, just unlock the layer, select inverse and delete, so you remain with your subject. It still doesn't look so good, but can do. Maybe just remove this part. Get a rubber tool, just rub it out. There. Once that is done, just drag it to your workspace and place it somewhere here. Nice. That looks perfect for me. Maybe play with the opacity a little. There, looks good. 90 there. That is it. Next, we are gonna get the title, because it looks so plain without a title. So for the title, we are gonna go with the Sprite slogan, which is obey your thirst. Just hopefully it hasn't changed. So we'll just type obey your thirst. Obey your thirst. Then give it a font. Font will be Deadly Advanced. That works for me for this type of graphic. So what you're going to do is just increase the size. Then I'm gonna drop the thirst. The next paragraph, just space it to the middle. Just modify your title to your liking. That is exactly what I'm doing here. So I want thirst to be big, then obey can pitch it from up there. Very well. Give it a color. The black doesn't really work for me. And the color, I'm gonna give it a gradient. So just double click on your layer, then give it a gradient overlay. It memorizes from last time. So we'll edit this. Maybe play with the angle. Actually, let us give it a linear this time around, not a radial. Linear looks good. Increase the opacity and give it a stroke, a white one. Then give it a drop shadow. Just decrease the distance. Then increase the size. There you go. That looks good. Maybe just space everything well. Push this glass here, because I want to add something else here to some squares. So click on your rectangle tool, draw a square, 131 by 131, give it a color, and the color is going to be white. Then duplicate it, Ctrl J on your Windows keyboard, or click on Alt and drag. Duplicate the two again, click on Alt, just space it. Click on Alt and drag. There you go. Maybe just space them well. There. Maybe add another layer. So there are 6 cubes, not 4. So just select, Alt, drag, then select the middle ones, space. Let us add another. Very nice. We are about done. Maybe just check on the background layer one more time. Okay, we are done, and this is our concept. Obey your first. Done. Check on the stroke one more time. Done. So as usual, you are gonna go ahead and save your file as PSD, as PNG, as JPEG, and share. So that is it. Let me know what you wish I could create next time. Bye bye.